Hello everyone, I'm Jasnoor Kaur, your calligraphic instructor. Welcome to the Mittlearn Modern Calligraphic course. In this course, you are going to learn about the different art forms of calligraphy in a comprehensive and lucid way. The course is designed such that you can learn about the basic fundamentals of writing text with various strokes like upstrokes, downstrokes, and many other concepts. You will have a basic knowledge of calligraphic tools. You will also learn how to write numbers and words using the art of calligraphy. This course is designed for all age groups. There is always a charm in creating something personalized for your loved one, be it handmade card or a beautifully and elegantly written note. So, are you ready to start something unique and challenging? Register now to start your calligraphy journey today. To know more, please visit us at www.mittlearn.com.